So what I want to talk about with Russell, when he gets his weight down, and he lands with that front foot, okay? Now, see how he's slightly closed? I don't want that. Okay? What I want to see is when you step, we're going to slightly open that foot up. Yeah? Okay? Yep. Now, what that's going to allow him to do is when his hands are down, that's going to allow his hip to open first. What will then happen is once those hips, that front hip opens, elbow away, front elbow away, back elbow in. Okay, so he's more in a knob to the ball position. And that's going to allow that extension to happen a lot more effectively. So we want to really work on open. I usually call it, I want those hips to open up prematurely. But when he does that, land, open, the shoulder is still closed. Okay, so that's what's going to create that torque with his midsection, so he creates more back speed, okay, through the ball. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Open. Again. Timing. Open. Okay. He's got flexibility with the waist. That's more like it. Again. Open. Those two are a perfect example of him catching that midsection. What I will say is that left pocket, once that front foot lands, that front pocket is going to open. Okay, that's going to allow that right side of his body to get into that knob of the ball position. Okay, here we go. Nice. One more. Go.